Hi, so today we wanna go back to Flask and Flask to use Flask with Python on glitch. As you know, we talked before about this, and we want to see now if you if you look at our um, template of blog, you see with this title here of the blog that is made. We are using Bootstrap, so this is a kind of Jumbotron div here, and then we have the container div containers with each of these being other. Let me show you the template. Here is this one that calls the Bootstrap things, and this is the menu, and it is called it is included. Um, it includes the templates here, where you see block page and the end block, the index.html page, that is uh, the main page that we're going to use, and here you find the extends template.html, so that it loads this before and then includes this inside of it. And in the block we will have our div Jumbotron that I was talking about, and which has this title here, and the title comes from here, from our dev homepage. And what else there is, for posting post, it will print the title and the body of our variable posts here, that has this list of dictionaries with the title and the body. So each one of these will be a title, and each one of these will be the body, the body of the title, the content of the paragraph. So this is the title and the content of the paragraph, right? And okay, and yeah, so we could also, and we use render template with the name of the index.html, that is the page, um, and with the variable that we uh, we send to the page. So in the page will just do this: post each title and each body into an h3 HTML, and into a into the body, then into a p paragraph HTML. We could also do one thing, and we could use, you see, this is the result. So the paragraph here is this, and if I want to, add some tag here, like the bold character, the to make it bold, you see, it just will leave the tag as it is. It won't render it as an HTML. So we can do one thing to do this, that is to, from Flask, import markup, and then go here and markup this. So include this in the markup function and send this as the argument, and this goes with a capital letter. And so we will have, you see here, okay, but and we should do this for our title and body if you want this. But if you don't want to do this for each of the body, maybe we done a lot of things here. It is boring, so we are going to do for post, in posts, post, and so for each post that is a dictionary into this list contained in post, so for and each key in post. So for each key there is, for each title and body in post, we will do post k equal markup post k. So we will do this markup for all these dictionaries and for all the keys of the dictionaries without having to write markup here, include this into markup. So let's see what happens. You see here we have this block. We have to talk about Python programming language. So we can use now the tags, HTML tags in this to, let me copy the address of this image of Python on Google here. And so if I go triple apostrophes here, I can use this to so that I can split the lines here, and I write here emg search equal nd. I think this, okay, this is a base64 image. Well, um, wherever image you get here, this is the base64, but it could have been a normal PNG or wherever. So it is an HTML here, and there it is. You find the this Google image here in here. So you can use every HTML tag to render this, to use the HTML HTML tags into your list of dictionaries here that are passed to this index HTML to show them in these pages. So I think you now can easily add content like images and all things that you can add with HTML to the page. That's how you can use HTML into your site made with Flask on Glitch, for example, and even on other hosting sites. Thank you.